So let's see how will the Xiaomi bootloader unlock is happen. Here is the Redmi K20, which is already here, connected via the cable to my laptop. And here we have MiFlash Unlock latest version. We just open it, agree to terms, and here we need to sign in. Let me sign in real quick. Of signing on. Process will take, depends from your internet. The software is logging on, checking the Mi account has permissions. Let's see what it will give me. I think it will not pass because there is some other things should be done on the phone side. Not connected to the phone, turn off the phone, hold volume down, power bootloader, connect the phone again. Let's do that and then connect what it's saying. We are in fast boot mode. As you can see, we did the trick. Here is the software is saying turn off the phone, hold volume down and power buttons to enter bootloader and connect the phone again. We did that. We are in bootloader mode. And the computer is installing the drivers, bootloader interface. You see, unlock will erase user data. Let's say unlock. Unlock anyway. There is a other warning, device is easy target, unlock anyway, and then process is running. Current account is not bound to this device. Add your account to device MIUI setting, developer options, Mi Unlock status. Let's do that here. Turning on, turning off phone from the fast boot, and wait phone to come back again. After that we will do the account bounding part. We should make it developer. Yeah, it's in charging. Yes, it asks me type the thing. So let's go to settings. Here is the settings. We should go to additional settings. No, it's not here. Actually, it should be on more. USB tethering, and that's not a thing we need. My device, yeah, it's here, all specifications, and then we need to tap this MIUI version. You are now developer. After having this, we should go back, then go to advanced, additional settings, and we are seeing is the developer options. Developer options on. OEM unlocking should be on. Enable. Then USB debugging should be on. Then it will ask for driver installation. Driver installation is happening on the computer. Let it finished. It is done. Phone should ask some Other things, install via USB is also need to be done. That's it. Quick settings, developer tabs. Okay. Settings, developer options, MiFlash status. We should go to MiFlash status. Where is the MiFlash status? So we cannot find it. Add your account, MIUI settings, developer options, and then MiFlash status. Developer options, yes, it is MiFlash status. So here is the MiFlash status. Add account to the device. It says turn off the VLAN and do it via mobile SIM card. This one is done by Xiaomi to make more secure that things, and so you can do that only on your device. So we will go here, turn off Wi-Fi, and then we go back here, additional settings, developer options, MiFlash status, add account, preparing. Successfully, my account is associated. Reset and got it. So now we should boot again to fast boot mode. Let's turn off device. After we will have the device turned off, we can go. So we are holding the power and volume rocker at the same time. Down. And we are in a fast boot mode with this Xiaomi Rabbit. Let's move here and push the unlock again. After 168 hours of trying, unlock this device. Okay, I got the lucky number because now you are having 720 hours or 1440 hours. This one gives me 168 hours, which is not that much, and I'm lucky. I will wait this 168 hours and then we'll try again. And today finally the 7th day passed. It was shown 168 minutes to get unlocked, and I am connected again in the fast boot mode. As you know, the fast boot is achievable if you push the volume down and power button, and it is connected via Type-C cable to my laptop, and MiFlash Unlocker is running. Let's hit the agree and put the details account on real quick. Let me do that. And hit the sign in button. As you can see, program is looking to sign in to Xiaomi servers, checking if Mi account has permissions for unlock, because each account can unlock one device per month. So they are checking that, and we are here. Phone connected, Mi phone checking device status, and unlock will raise user data. We know that. We hit unlock. Another warning which is saying that it will erase all data, unlock anyway. And another warning about that unlocked device is easy target for malware, etc. And then unlock anyway. The percentage is going. Let's see if the time passed. It should be passed. Yes, unlocked successfully. You see device rebooted. You are seeing this percentage is running on the phone, and that's it. Device is unlocked. You can see there is a writing at the bottom after you are having the unlocked device.